Hey y'all, welcome to another video, and today I'm working out of the Pure Cosmetics Nude Palette. I like the simple fact it does not have the plastic or names on there because I can't keep up with the blow plastic paper, and I like that it has a mirror. Okay, yes. So I am going to try and make this video very short. I'm not really trying to speed it up that much, but it's literally an eyeshadow tutorial, a full face makeup tutorial, as well as my one of the new styles of my lashes that came out from my lash line, which is Royalty Lashes. The name of the lashes is Goddess. But yeah, I'm really going to try and edit the heck out of this. If y'all want something more slowed down or whatever, or y'all can catch me live, Facebook, Instagram, I'll be going live on, and that's on Big Purr. Period. Let's get to the eyeshadow tutorial. So hey y'all, I don't know if y'all like voiceovers or not, or just hear the real deal, because y'all will hear my neighbors, y'all will hear my kids, y'all hear me yelling, cursing, all kind of stuff. So y'all like voiceovers, or y'all just want to see the makeup being done? Do you care if the products are listed? If I show the products, like, does it matter? Or you just here for the tea? You know what I'm saying? What is the tea? What's good? Shoot. But yeah, but basically I'm complaining right there about my eyebrows because I didn't fill them in. What I did was take the I Envy strong, super stronghold adhesive glue. It's white but it dries clear. I put that on my eyebrows and I brush it up with a spoolie, and then I clean it up, just carve up the bottom with concealer. That's all I did, and I went in with the eyeshadow tutorial. So that's the actual shade of black I went into. Because other than that, I'm about to just play this music. And yeah, because I was cracking up off of myself watching this damn tutorial, but it was a live tutorial. That shit was like, what? Over an hour, and I have to fucking make this video less than an hour. Let me stop cursing. See, that's the problem. Let me stop doing the voiceover. Hold on. Let me put the music back on. Just watch the tutorial now. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video. Comment if you like it or not. Big Purr.
We should never let go, so tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
But this right here, I'm not liking that. I don't even need that much moisturizer. Why I got it on my nose? A scar or a booger? Oh, a scar. Can y'all believe I didn't even fill in my brows? I'm gonna start doing this shit for summer, because I'm not trying to have no eyebrows come off. I did not fill in my eyebrows at all. Not today. I've been seeing girls do this. They set their primer and all that shit, I don't have no primer on. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my
If you find the one, you should never
lotion,
give
I
her
guess.
up. I think it's the way life changes when
I'm trying something different. I mean, how you gonna evolve? How you gonna evolve if you don't be like trying shit, trying different
These
shit?
days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more.
So basically, where I'm gonna put the powder at
dream about the days
is
when
basically
we were
in
young.
my motherfucking T-zone. That's the first motherfucking spot for somebody to start getting shiny. But remember when I went to the club and I posted them pictures?
Lane isn't that too far away from
I swear, I didn't even have to go to the restroom. My makeup stayed on all night. I probably went like this one time because I was dancing too fast. I'm dancing and emphasizing. I'm dancing. I show fucking good shit. I didn't go to a club for a fucking year plus. You hear that shit, right? Must be fucking next door. That's the shit I'm talking about. All that fucking noise be getting on my fucking nerves. That's why I be like blasting fucking music and shit. Okay, my thing is, let me ask a quick question. Does it help when MUEs, makeup artists, whoever, post the products that they used in the shade? Does that even help you guys? I'm just asking. Because half the time I don't want to post shit anymore. But then again, I'm like, Natasha, how you gonna get fucking seen? You're buying these motherfucking products. I ain't on PR for nobody. Now I'm gonna use this Morphe M439 brush. I think this brush is still fucking down. Yes, it is, bitch. I'm not gonna use that brush. I fucking lied. They be so loud outside, like I be thinking they fucking fighting. But I got 3 boys.
If you find the one, you should never
really
give
about to
her
be all
up.
3 of y'all
I
fucking
think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe up, baby.
This down and then blend out. Sweet talking. I'm pressing it into my face. Once again, this is not even a foundation. Y'all gonna be like, what? It's not a foundation? This is a tinted moisturizer. The fuck I look like putting on a full motherfucking face in summer? On some clown shit, I'm not doing it. Unless I'm going to a function and they got AC. They be like, oh, you can sit inside or outside. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want... Hey, can we talk? I should have been cleaned that up. I'm screwed now.
If If you found the one, you should never give her up.
But I swear
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
Like do a fucking extra like highlight. Since this is a pretty little shade. I love this fucking tinted moisturizer. I need to go get some more. They had this shit at Macy's. Anything over here. That's what happens when I take a brush. Out with a brush before with the UD with the Urban Decay. But guess what? I'm gonna do with a motherfucking concealer. This is wannabe foundation. That's all I'm doing. It's a tinted moisturizer. I'm still gonna go in there with this. This is the Julia's Place foundation stick. This shit dark as fuck. This is nice as a fucking contour. Look how dark this is. Look how dark that is. I thought I was that fucking dark to use that shit all over my motherfucking face. No. Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. But Juvia's Place is not playing. Do you see the motherfucking shade? Do you see how dark that is? What's going on now?
I was coming upstairs.
For what?
I just wanted to. There's nothing.
No, bye. Same thing I told Nathaniel he had to get out. Go get some cold bottles of water for you and your brothers and get out.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't
stay up
see.
here with the
Yeah.
fucking
These
young
days
grown
I
now.
don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Okay, I already read it.
I still dream about the days when we were young.
Did y'all see that thing? And they do the whole thing like that and like that. I'm scared. And they go on like that and then you gotta go on with a grip of concealer. I'm not about that life. I'm about to waste my breath.
Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
See how that shit ain't blending out?
Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign
It's a
yourself
process.
with the world,
Ain't
baby.
no way I'm gonna take pictures and I see all the fucking flaws and post up. No. Ain't no way. And I ain't got no fancy app or no money to paying these apps to put on no fucking filters and make my makeup look way better. Nope. It got to be talent and nothing at all. Oh yeah, this is light enough. I ain't gonna go no fucking lighter than this. Give me all your loving, don't stop. Reach the top. I'm not about to drag that shit all the way down either. Why? Because the shit gonna blend out anyways down there. What I got is better than money, but what I'm gonna do is go like that. Because this shouldn't be cleaned up anyways. Normally, I don't do no shit like that, but today I am. Shit, I don't get this shit right every time. To the content creators and all of them that be going live all the time, big up to y'all. Because, honey, sometimes I don't feel like going live, but I ain't on nobody PR. I don't have to go live if I don't want to. But I like talking to y'all. I really do. Bitch, y'all playing all this song. Stop playing with me. They better fucking cut me off then. Fuck it. They keep on playing Mary.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when
That's
in
my
love.
shit.
Yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
And you know that I am true. Baby, let's have more.
I still dream should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow. 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 If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe slow.
Well, I hope y'all really enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, the entire live was like over 2 hours, and I happened to get it down to like less than 20 minutes. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because now I'm about to end it. That is the end of this tutorial, makeup review, all that kind of stuff. So until next time, peace out. Bye.